Good morning and welcome back everyone. So after our maths class, now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. So in EVS, we have been learning about different ways of transport, different modes of transports. How we can use different modes to go from one place to another. And I told you, हम कौन सा वे या कौन सा मोड हम चूज करते हैं, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइम वी हैव एंड हाउ मच एक्सपेंडिचर वी कैन डू ऑन इट. देखिए, गोइंग बाय कार एंड गोइंग बाय प्लेन ब्रिंग्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन द कॉस्ट. हमें अगर प्लेन से ट्रैवल करना है तो जो टिकट है वो ज़्यादा कॉस्टली होगी. अगर हम कार से जा रहे हैं तो हमें कम कॉस्टली पड़ेगा. सो इट डिपेंड्स. कार से जाने में टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, प्लेन से जाने में टाइम कम लगेगा, isn't it? So we have learned that there are four main ways to travel. First is road, or you can call land. That is, we have which are the different transports? Car, bike, cycle. We have truck, bus, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, and so many things. Then the second way we have learned is water, in which we have ship, sailboat, motorboat, rowboats, we have submarine. Then we learned about the third way of traveling, that is by air, using aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, gliders, rockets, isn't it? And the last one we did is on the track, where we have learned how a train run on the track and help us in reaching from one place to another, isn't it? So train, they take little time, but they are safe and we enjoy also, isn't it? Now what are we going to do today? Today we are going to write the name of few transports or few vehicles that run on the road. Is that clear? So the name of different land transports is what we are going to write, and we are going to do this work in our EVS notebook. Clear everyone? So please open your EVS notebook and see how to do the work. But first, let us discuss and write these names on the board. Okay? Let's begin. So the very first name or the vehicle that comes to my mind when we think of road transport is, सबसे पहले हम क्या चलाना सीखते हैं? Let's start it in that way. Yes, सबसे पहले let's begin with two wheelers. वो vehicles जिनमें two wheels होते हैं. सबसे पहले आपको क्या दिलाई थी पापा ने? You might be riding it now. You enjoy riding that in the evening. Bicycle. Yes, so you all enjoy riding that. Let's write bicycle. So the first vehicle that we have learned is bicycle. हमें मिलती भी सबसे पहले bicycle ही है, isn't it? So the spelling here is B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Now the next one we are going to write is bike. B-I-K-E, bike. You can also call it motorcycle, but generally nowadays we call it bike. Then there is one more two-wheeler that we have learned. Can anyone tell me? Scooter. Yes, some of us drive scooter also. Not you, us, I'm talking about myself, like mama, didi or papa even, isn't it? So let's write that. Scooter. So these three are two-wheelers like bicycle, bike and scooter. इनमें कितने wheels होते हैं? Two wheels होते हैं. So we call them two-wheeler. Clear? Okay. Next we are going to write the name of those vehicles that have three wheels. Can you tell me the name of those? Yes, one is something that we hire and a bhaiya, he rides like bicycle, but पीछे आप लोग भी बैठ बैठ पाते हो. What we call it? Rickshaw. Yes, we call it rickshaw. How we write? So we write it rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. That is rickshaw. So one is a cycle rickshaw or we call it rickshaw. But we have green CNG operated three-wheeler which is also known as rickshaw, but उसमें आगे कुछ और लग जाता है. Auto rickshaw. Yes, we call it auto rickshaw. So how we are going to write? Auto rickshaw. Clear? अभी ऑटो रिक्शा CNG ऑपरेटेड भी होते हैं and they are those big one in which we do sharing autos जिनको कहते हैं. Clear? Now moving to the four-wheelers. Yes, the very first four-wheeler we have is car. Yes, very good. So we are going to write car. So let's do a revision. Bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Then we have bike, B-I-K-E, bike. Scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Then we have rickshaw, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. Then we have auto rickshaw, A-U-T-O, auto, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, auto rickshaw. And then we have written car, C-A-R, car. Now can you tell me something which we use when we come to school together with our friends? Van. Yes, we are using van. So let's write that. Verb and van. Van में आते हैं आप लोग. Some of you use rickshaw, some of you use auto rickshaw. Then जब आप grow up हो जाएंगे, you will be using your bicycle. Some of you are coming with your parents on bike or scooter. Some of you are coming on in the car, by car, isn't it? So all these things you are using while you are coming to school also. अभी नहीं आ रहे हो, but I know you all are feeling to come, isn't it? मैम भी आपको बहुत मिस करती हैं. So don't worry, soon we are going to meet, but let's do the work now. Okay? So one is van now. Now can you tell me something? Some more vehicles? Yes? Okay, if you are not having car and you want to go somewhere, what you are going to hire? हम क्या बुक करते हैं फोन पे? We book a Ola, isn't it? Uber. So what are these? They are providing us taxi. What are they are providing? Taxi. So it is T-A-X-I, taxi. Clear? It is also a car, but ये हमारी नहीं होती. हम इसमें travel करने का fare देते हैं, किराया देते हैं. As we give fare for auto rickshaw या rickshaw, for taxi also we have to give fare. Okay? Now, a very big vehicle having 6 or more tires. It carry many people. I'm talking about people. So that is bus. Very good. So let's write bus. And last is again a big vehicle with 6 or more tires, but this vehicle is used for carrying loads. Heavy things, if you want to shift from one place to another, we need it. What it is called? Truck. How we are going to write that? T-R-U-C-K. T-R-U-C-K. Truck. Is that clear to all of you? So these are few, I can say not more. These are few transports, or you can say the vehicles that work, that move or run on the road and help us in moving from one place to another. Clear? So let's revise their name once again. Bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Say with me, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Then we have B-I-K-E, bike. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. A-U-T-O, auto. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, auto rickshaw. Then we have C-A-R, car. V-A-N, van. T-A-X-I, taxi. B-U-S, bus. And last, T-R-U-C-K, truck. Clear everyone? So what we are going to do now? We are going to write the name of these vehicles in our notebook also. Is that okay to you all? Understood? So now please take out your EVS notebook, write down today's date and please mention the topic also. And let's see how we are going to do the work now. Okay? So class, now please open your EVS notebook and then let's see how we are going to write the name of different land transports in our notebook. Okay? So the first thing we are going to write is today's date. Like this, write down today's date and please mention classwork here. And like this you will write the topic. So what is the topic? The topic is land transports. So we are going to write the name of those vehicles which run on the road. Clear? So let's begin now. The first we have written is bicycle. Which is the first one we have written? Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Then we have bike. B-I-K-E. Bike. Bicycle. After bicycle we have written bike. Now which is the next? One more two-wheeler. Two-wheeler is the one that has two wheels. Scooter. So how we are going to write that? Scoo-oo. That means double O. Scooter. T-R. Ter. And we pronounce it as scooter. Clear? Now after scooter, after writing two-wheelers, now it's time to write the name of those vehicles that has three wheels. So the first one we have done is rickshaw. Let's write that. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Rickshaw. Then we have one more three-wheeler. Auto rickshaw. Yes. So let's write that. A-U-T-O auto, rickshaw, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. So class, if you will see, we have written two-wheelers and three-wheelers. So one auto rickshaw is the one that is green in color and one is black in color. So both of them use different fuels. This is what we are going to study in upcoming classes. How a different vehicle use different fuels to run. Clear? So now after two-wheeler and three-wheeler, now it's time to write four-wheelers. Four-wheelers मतलब जिनमें four wheels होते हैं. So can you give me some example of four-wheelers also? Yes, we have car. So let's write that. Now, car के बाद क्या होता है? As I told you, the one we use for coming to school, van. So let's write van. Do you know any four-wheeler other than car and van? Taxi. We call them taxi. The hired cars. जिनको हम hire करते हैं, किराए पे लेते हैं. Okay? So that is taxi. Now, can you tell me the name of a vehicle that carry many people together? Move on the road? Bus. Very good. So let's write bus. And the last one that we have learnt is a vehicle that carry load is truck. So like this class, we have learnt about different vehicles that move on the road. So let's revise. Bicycle, bike, scooter, rickshaw. Repeat with me please. Then we have auto rickshaw, car, van, taxi, bus and truck. So these are some of the land transports. Example of some land transports. Clear everyone? So after this, what is your homework? Your homework is you are going to learn and write the name of all these vehicles that you have done in classwork as your homework on the next page. So this is the next page. You are going to do it here once more. Is that clear to everyone? So class, now I hope that you have understood how you are going to do your today's work and how you are going to learn them. Learn them with sounds. They'll be easy for you to learn. Clear? Now learn these spellings. Once you have to do this work as classwork and on the next page as your homework. But homework आप इन्हें learn करने के बाद ही करोगे. Clear? One thing more I want to share, that whatever transports we use them to travel. And when we travel, we have to follow some safety guidelines, isn't it? What are they? Follow traffic rules. The first and the foremost traffic rule, whenever you are passing through a signal, don't cross it if it is not green. Isn't it? देखा है ना हमने, कई बार क्या होता है, पुलिस अंकल पकड़ लेते हैं किनको, जो ट्रैफिक सिग्नल ब्रेक करते हैं. So always listen what are the different traffic rules. You have to follow them. Second thing is, whenever you जब भी हम वॉक करते हैं ऑन द रोड, सो आपने देखा होगा रोड के साइड में एक पाथ बना होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फुटपाथ. दैट पाथ शुड बी यूज्ड बाय वॉकर्स. जब भी हम वॉक करते हैं हम उस फुटपाथ को यूज करना चाहिए. इफ यू वांट टू क्रॉस द रोड, फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल क्रॉस इट? zebra crossing, and I hope I have taught you about that कि zebra crossing क्या होती है, where there are some white lines marked on the road, और वो white lines क्या होती हैं, वो mark होता है कि this is zebra crossing and this is the way for the walkers to cross the road. So these are some simple traffic rules which even you all should follow. And whenever you are walking on the road, always hold hand of your elders while walking. Clear? Whenever you are riding on bike or on scooter, sit straight, hold your elder. जो भी आपके साथ बैठे हैं उनको पकड़ के बैठिए so that you might not fall down. Then whenever you are traveling in a car, please don't take out your hand or face out of the car. Isn't it? क्योंकि पीछे से जो व्हीकल आ रहा है वो कितनी स्पीड में आ रहा है, तो वो आपको हिट करके चला गया, बहुत गंदी तरह से चोट लगती है. क्लियर? सो दीज आर सम बेसिक I can say traffic rules which you all should also start following. Bye for now. Take care and get ready for the next class.